Ich habe meine Gedanken,
My head is full of ideas. Now I would like to share them with others.
wiedergeben.
Jeder, der mit dem Whiteboard arbeitet.
Everyone who starts working with a whiteboard finds it very exciting. Many things can be done comfortably. Every time you discover something new. We're entering a completely different world. It was planned to equip a new building with Ricoh technology.
Design ist für uns.
Design is crucial for us, as people should be able to identify it as a whiteboard. The whiteboard integrates seamlessly with the structure of the meeting rooms.
Technik ist interessant gelöst.
Technology is solved in an interesting way, as it's a screen with a computer behind it that cannot be seen. As we have this card reader now at the bottom of the whiteboards and access is personalized, you simply need to hold the card in front of it and off you go. The world is yours. Operation, very simple, very intuitive. The menu navigation is very easy to use. We have a self-explanatory interface. The whiteboard can be operated conveniently with a pen. The eraser function is of course very helpful as well.
Das macht auch Spaß eigentlich.
It's fun in a way. There's something playful about it.
Man kann sehr viele Funktionen auswählen.
A variety of functions, font types and colors can be selected. We've generally noticed that as soon as users arrive at the whiteboard and take the pen, they start using it immediately, are interested in it, and then quickly discover one function after another. The whiteboard is the ideal solution to visualize our meetings and discussions. I can cut, I can enlarge, and I can change the position of objects. Many small functions like drawing straight lines or boxes can be carried out effortlessly with the whiteboard. As a user, I can of course also distribute the notes I took during the meeting by email or send them to a printer. I can make as many copies as I like. Different media can be retrieved, for example an Excel spreadsheet or a PowerPoint drawing, and everything can be combined in one presentation. We can save the data in a PDF file, or send it directly to our email address or to our dialogue partners. I think we will use this board more often now. The benefits for customers are obvious. They have access to their documents, which can be discussed, shared and edited during meetings. Efficient meetings, that's the benefit for the customer. I can connect several whiteboards across locations. The customer sees a personalized display. Making individual settings for processing files is not required anymore. When sharing information by email, it's sent automatically only to my email address due to the smart card authorization at the whiteboard. What's charming is that the card, which is used for printing and also for opening doors, can be used for the whiteboard as well. I can promote networking between my employees across borders, virtually worldwide, and let them work on projects together. Security was an important point during the whole project phase.
Die Sicherheit ist gewährleistet.
Data security is guaranteed because individuals can only log into the whiteboard using their own ID card and can also define who receives this document. When I leave the meeting room and switch off the whiteboard, all information is deleted irrevocably. For us, it was a so-called flagship project. With this Ricoh whiteboard, as well as the virtual capturing and sharing of information, we've entered a new world. With Mitsubishi, we had a customer who was not only interested in our products, but also in the creation of a highly innovative and individual solution. For us as an innovative company, this is exactly the right solution.
Das Copyboard.
It's actually a whiteboard that you could only have dreamed about 5 years ago.